come this is not on the signage? This is a cool little box. I like this kit. There's some 2-inch bits. It's got some nut setters. It has a 3-inch. Can you guys see this? Look at this cool little kit. $14.97. I like that for a stocking stuffer. I'm just saying. You could either get the hickory hammer, 2-pack of my magnetic tape measures, the rafter squares. Love these. The fastbacks. I've not necessarily used their combination pliers, but I will tell you this much. There's a lot of bang for your buck here. If you buy any 4 of those, they're going to give you $20 back. So it's like you're buying 3, getting 1 free. $249 for Milwaukee 6-gallon wet dry vacuum. This is their single battery vacuum. This is not their 36 volt. This is their true 18 volt vacuum. It is very powerful, has great wheels. You're going to get what I think is one of their pretty awesome air tip accessories. This is their dust collector. This thing will suction cup onto the wall. Okay, so if you're making cuts in the wall, it will collect the dust that falls from whatever you're drilling or cutting up above. I like that a lot. They also have the flexible micro hose set, the long reach. You're going to get one of those for free. They're selling their high efficiency filters, $19.88 for these vacuums. It will fit all of them. We have more M12 deals here out front for $249. I like that they're making these new kits, especially for mechanics. Impact driver and their high-speed ratchet kit, 2 2-amp-hour batteries, charger in the bag. We have their new Gen 3 hammer drill and impact driver. Love this kit. 4-amp-hour battery and 2-amp-hour battery. Their recipsol, their fuel recipsol at $179. Any one of those kits, they're going to pair it up with a free 2.5-amp-hour battery. If we come over to this side, you will see that they have a 2-pack of those new. I wonder if they're here. All right, it's including that new 5-amp-hour battery and 2.5-amp-hour battery for $149. These are their Gen 3 Shockwave bits at $19.88. It's a 75-piece set. It comes with a little Tic Tac case full of accessory bits, 1-inch bits. They have some 2-inch bits. There's no way to magnetize them. There's no adapter to magnetize them. You can run them through a magnetizer. The problem is that they're impact rated. You're going to use them as with an impact. That impacting causes magnetized bits without a permanent magnet on it, to lose its magnetization. Another one of my favorite oscillating multi-tools, this is the M12 Fuel at $179. And it's in a kit with their newest high-tech 2.5-amp-hour high output M12 battery. $179. We have their orbital detail sander kit. That's also coming with a high output battery. And for $39.88, we have their oscillating multi-tool 20-piece blade set. $99, you have the brand new Gen 3 M12 Fuel impact driver kit. I got a little disappointed it's not including the new high output M12 batteries. Just now. $19.97. I like this kit. It's coming with the 3/8-inch drill bit. This is their titanium Shockwave drill bit set. I like that they have the more fragile bits, the smaller bits. They have doubles of those sizes that are more commonly used. I like that they're 1/4-inch X. $39.88, 7-piece hole dozer bimetal hole saw kit. Fully adjustable. We got your choice right here, $29.97. We have a 24-inch or a 2-foot magnetic I-beam level, or their billet torpedo level. Like it. All right, for $249, you have the 12-volt 3/8 stubby. This is my favorite version of the stubby, and I love that they're giving you that high output XC 5.0 battery in here. Bang for your buck. That's what's up. $99. You got their Shockwave Impact Duty 3/8 drive impact sockets. Works perfectly with that impact wrench. Okay, we have this is not impact rated, but it is I also like their ratchet sets. 56 pieces. You're getting I believe it's a 3/8-inch ratchet. You're getting some extensions, some deep well sockets in here. This is all socket. You're getting $99. We have 18-piece Shockwave Impact Duty 1/2-inch. These are standard deep well 6-point impact sockets. They got this is the mid torque, $229 impact wrench with friction ring. For $99, they have their 3-inch compact cutoff tool, however you like to say it. $25.97. You have a 13-piece Sawzall blade set. I gotta be honest with you, it's coming with one nitrous wrecker blade. We have their very compact impact driver or their drill driver. They're coming with a 2-amp-hour battery. charger in a bag, 99 bucks. We have the 2-pack shaker of 3.0s, XC. These are not XCs. These are HO CP 3.0s. 149. You're getting their 5 amp hour starter kit, and then you have your choice for 99 bucks. Their circ saw, their recip saw, their rover light. For 79 bucks, you have their grinder, one-handed recip saw, their rover floodlight. This thing is awesome. I like that a lot. Or they have that 10-piece Sawzall blade set. $29.88. I like this kit. 120 pieces of Shockwave driver bits, and you even have Shockwave drill bits in here. $29.88 divided by 120 pieces. You're looking at 25 cents a piece. You're not getting any nut setters in here. Just be mindful of that. You are getting some drill bits, but you're getting a lot of driver bits. $199, you're getting an XC 8.0 and a CP 3.0. We have a 2-pack. This is a good deal. 2-pack of XC 3.0s at $79 for the M12 tools. And then we have, this is an exclusive to the depot. $99, you're getting their drill driver, impact driver, their terrible M12 charger in a bag with 2.5 amp batteries. $149, you have Milwaukee's top off. Okay. There's a USB type C on here, USB type A. You have I forget how many watts. Oh, it's 175 watts, 110, 120 volts out of a single 5 amp hour battery. All right, this is another depot exclusive 5-tool combo. Includes a ratchet, one-handed recip saw, impact driver, drill driver, flashlight, 2.5 amp batteries, charger in a bag for $1.99. And if you just wanted a single XC 5.0, this is Milwaukee's newest M12 battery technology, 99 bucks. Yo, $29.97. We have a 23-piece, I like this one, Shockwave bit set. Here's the thing, lots of doubles of the more fragile bits. They only go up to 3/8 of an inch. 2-tool combo. These are not Milwaukee's most illustrious feature-laden tools, but these are a high-quality contractor-grade tool that will help you to get your job done on a budget. You're getting 2.5 amp batteries. You're getting their impact driver, drill driver, charger in a bag for $149. Milwaukee has a 3-pack of batteries, 12 amp hour and 2 5 amp hour battery packs at $299. They have their circular saw kit, their fuel circular saw kit. It's coming in an 8 amp hour battery, charger in a bag for $299. $179 for the pack out vacuum. Love that vacuum. I think it's great, and that's a great price for that. You got a 2-pack of HEPA vacuum filters at $19.88. Buy this, get that for $199. It's 2 5 amp hour batteries and a charger, okay? Or their $399, this is their Gen 4 combo kit, hammer drill and impact driver, or they have their 4-tool combo kit that includes those Gen 4 tools, their fuel oscillating multi-tool, a flashlight. You're getting upgraded HO batteries. Love that kit. I love this kit at $599. If you buy that, you're gonna get 2 free tools. This is your selection of Bare tools that you can get. This is a BOGO, but it's not buy one. It's like a different acronym that I can't think of. Here's the deal. If you buy any 2 of these Bare tools, you're going to get a free 2-pack of M18 XC 6.0 batteries. These are HO XC 6.0s. 7-tool combo kit from Milwaukee, $499. They are standard M18 tools. Okay. They also have for $199 a 1/2-inch high torque impact wrench and 3/8 ratchet kit. It's including this is the multi-voltage charger, and they're giving you the required batteries to run those tools. They have their brushless hammer drill and impact driver combo kit. It's coming a 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery charger in a bag for $249. I like these tools. They're compact, they're powerful. They don't have all the modes and the bells and whistles, but these are good tools. Finally, we have for $179 their compact impact driver and drill driver charger in a bag for $179. Now, I'll tell you this much. Previous years, we saw this combo kit. They ran a promo where this was in a pack out box. I think it was like it was like $200 for a minute. And then after the holiday, it had reduced. We had got them like on clearance for $169. That was a real score, but So for $299, Milwaukee has a 5-tool combo. It includes a sander, a light, drill driver, and an impact driver, circ saw, a 3 amp hour, and an 1.5 amp hour battery. Charger in a bag for $299. We have Milwaukee's oscillating multi-tool kit. Here you go. This is the holiday special that people wait for all year long for. $99. Okay, you're getting their oscillating multi-tool. You are only getting an 1.5 amp battery and a charger.